What if I told you the darkest side of human nature was revealed not by crime, not by war, but by experiments we willingly participated in? Grab your popcorn, because what you're about to hear might change the way you look at people forever. 1. The Stanford Prison Experiment. Power turns poisonous in 1971. Volunteers were divided into guards and prisoners, and in less than 36 hours, normal people became cruel dictators. It wasn't the prison. It wasn't the rules. It was human nature breaking free. 2. The Milgram Obedience Test. Why people follow orders. Participants believed they were shocking a stranger with deadly voltage, and 65% obeyed till the very end. Just because a man in a lab coat said so. A chilling truth. Authority can turn anyone into a monster. 3. The Ash Conformity Test. The fear of standing alone. People gave obviously wrong answers just to agree with the group. Not because they believed it, but because they feared being different. Humans don't crave truth. They crave belonging. 4. The Monster Study. When words destroy lives, orphans were labeled speech failures, even though they spoke perfectly fine. Within months, they actually developed stutters. A terrifying reminder. Words can shape reality. 5. The Robbers Cave Study. Why we create enemies. 2 groups of boys, 1 camp, and suddenly hatred, violence, and war-like chaos erupted. All because they were told, you are different. Question mark. If you were part of one of these experiments, do you think you'd resist? Or fall like everyone else? Tell me honestly in the comments. 6. The bystander effect. When everyone watches, nobody helps. A woman screamed for help. 38 people heard her. No one moved. Why? Because each person thought someone else would step in. We trust the crowd more than our conscience. 7. The blue eyes, brown eyes experiment. Prejudice starts fast. In just one day, children turned cruel simply because the teacher said one eye color was superior. The result? Discrimination can grow in minutes. 8. The Good Samaritan experiment. Too busy to be good people ignoring a dying man, not because they were evil, but because they were late to a meeting. Sometimes darkness isn't intentional, it's convenient. 9. The Marshmallow Test. Self-control predicts your life. Children were offered a marshmallow. Eat now, or wait and get to later. Those who waited grew up to be more successful. Turns out, the biggest enemy isn't temptation, it's impatience. 10. The False Memory Experiment. Your brain lies to you. People confidently described events that never happened. Not because they were tricked, but because the brain rewrote the story on its own. Your memory isn't a camera, it's a storyteller. If these experiments revealed such dark truths, what else are we capable of when no one is watching? Maybe the scariest experiment hasn't even been done yet. If this shook your mind, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because tomorrow we uncover something completely different yet equally insane. Next, a topic. Fire. Top 10 fastest bowlers in the world. Ranked by pure speed. Stay tuned.